So the suspects for today are here. We're gonna do some chicken. That one is the ringleader, I guess. We're gonna do some. These are the lieutenants, the onion and the garlic. We're gonna add in some. At the end we're gonna put in some rice. We are going to add some pepper into the. Wait, this is all gonna go together. This is like afterthought with some olive oil, and then we're going to use some of these little chicken bouillon. Just kidding, bouillon, whatever. And it's gonna go together with also this. This is some bay leaves, I think. No, yeah, Lauren bay leaves, I guess. I forgot the name. And then we're going to make mole. So we're gonna do the chicken up first. There's really not much prep needed. Just need to kind of take everything out and start mixing things. We're gonna let the chicken boil in water for, I don't know, I guess like a good hour on like medium heat or low heat. I don't know. Just depends on when the miss is coming home. But anyways, we're gonna start this getting ready. Just take everything out so that once I know time frame, I can just hit start.